Welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing on the comprehensive review session of Bitstamp. 1. Introduction to Bitstamp. Bitstamp is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Founded in 2011, Bitstamp has built a reputation for reliability and security in the fast-evolving world of digital assets. Based in Luxembourg, Bitstamp serves millions of users globally, offering a secure platform to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a trustworthy exchange to start or expand your crypto journey, Bitstamp might be the right choice for you. 2. Cryptocurrency trading options. Bitstamp offers a wide range of cryptocurrency trading pairs, making it a versatile platform for both beginners and experienced traders. You can trade popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. The platform also supports fiat currencies like USD, EUR, and GBP, which makes it easy to convert your traditional money into crypto and vice versa. Whether you're interested in spot trading, where you buy and sell assets at current prices, or you prefer more advanced trading options like limit orders, Bitstamp provides the tools you need to execute your strategy effectively. 3. Security and regulatory compliance. Security is a top priority at Bitstamp, and they have implemented a range of measures to protect user assets. The majority of funds are stored in cold storage, meaning they are kept offline to prevent hacking attempts. Bitstamp also uses multi-signature technology and two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add additional layers of security to your account. Furthermore, Bitstamp is fully licensed and regulated in the EU and the US, which means they adhere to strict financial regulations and industry standards. This level of compliance gives users peace of mind, knowing that their funds are secure and that the exchange operates transparently within legal frameworks. 4. User experience and trading tools. Bitstamp is known for its user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform is easy to navigate, with straightforward tools for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. For more advanced users, Bitstamp offers a range of trading tools, including detailed charts, technical indicators, and an API for automated trading. The mobile app is also highly rated, allowing users to manage their portfolios, execute trades, and monitor market movements on the go. Bitstamp's focus on simplicity and efficiency makes it a great choice for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies, regardless of their experience level. 5. Fees and customer support. Bitstamp offers a competitive fee structure, with trading fees that decrease as your trading volume increases. This makes it a cost-effective option for both small-scale traders and those who trade in larger volumes. Deposit and withdrawal options are also varied, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrency transfers, each with transparent fees. When it comes to customer support, Bitstamp has a strong reputation. They offer 24/7 support through various channels, including email and a comprehensive help center. Whether you have a technical issue or a question about your account, Bitstamp's support team is responsive and knowledgeable, ensuring that you get the help you need quickly. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.